This is our automatic cards matching machine with film packing system. Our machine uses a robotic feeder system equipped with a 4-suction disc component to separate and feed sheets with a weight range of 250 GSM to 800 GSM. Sheets with dimensions ranging from 550 by 450 mm to 760 by 600 mm and 720 by 600 mm to 1040 by 720 mm. The sheets are then sent to the first blade component, which cuts the sheets into strips. The already stripped sheets then goes through the overpass component and then directed to the second blades component, which divides the sheets into cards, then sent to the matching system. The cards are then aligned and collected in a synchronized manner and sent to the edge cutting system. Our edge punching system is made of a hydraulic press and high-quality cutting die, which cuts the edges of the cards, giving it a perfect shape. The already cut cards are then moved to the card quantity screening system, which counts the cards according to your preferred number in a deck and discards any group of cards which are more or less than your preferred number of decks. The conveying channel then sends all correctly screened cards to the automatic plastic film packing system for the cards to be automatically wrapped and made ready for packing and collection. Our machine is arguably regarded as the best automated equipment for cards manufacturing. After the sheets are printed, the finished product can be directly printed at once through this equipment. For more information, contact us on www.papermachine.com.cn.